This new feature for Exadata Cloud at Customer now enables you to perform a pre-check validation before setting up an Oracle Data Guard standby. This feature was added on June the 17th, 2025. Previously, as part of the Data Guard configuration, the service performed an implicit pre-check. With this enhancement, you can now run an explicit pre-check to identify and address potential issues before proceeding with the Data Guard setup. So let's show how the new feature is used. First, select the VM cluster where your primary database is located. Then select Databases and find your chosen database. Then select Data Guard Associations and then click Add Standby. Now enter the details of where your peer VM cluster for the Data Guard standby is located, entering the peer region, availability domain, compartment, Exadata infrastructure, and VM cluster. Note that if your peer VM cluster is on the same infrastructure as your primary VM cluster, it will warn you that this isn't best practice. Then scroll down and choose the DB home on the standby VM cluster. Note that only DB homes compatible with the source database version are displayed. The primary and standby databases must be on the same major release version, while the standby database can be on a higher minor version. Now enter the standby database unique name, password, and also the TDE password, and press the Run Precheck button. If you now try to add a standby, it will warn you that a precheck is already in progress, and we can check on the status of this. We can view the log messages, look at any error messages, and also look at the general information. And on the log messages, we can see the percentage completed increasing until it reaches 100%, and in this case, the precheck has succeeded. If the precheck did fail, then simply go back and check and resolve the reported errors and then retry. For more information on DataGuard, visit the documentation here. And to see all of the new features and enhancements added to Exadata Cloud at Customer, visit the documentation here. Thank you.